been a fantastic day for the parts community. My favorite experiences today were to see how leaders from different industries come together. And although they have different competitors, they have different challenges, but ultimately they can learn something from each other, right? And they can copy ideas, they can be inspired by the other leaders in their industry, and they can level up their own organization as a result.
A lot of great panelists here, a lot of very good interaction. Tim is absolutely fantastic. It's a wonderful space. I'm very excited about the future in MARKT-PILOT, and you have a very bright, outgoing, energetic, to echo somebody else's term, a hustle group right now, and I think it's fantastic.
Well, I think the networking with other OEMs in terms of kind of the climate currently and the macro trends, and then how pricing factors into possible countermeasures to some of those macro trends, which is impacting our markets. And I know us particularly, we are seeing some headwinds in terms of the OEM side of our business. So I'm very interested in sharing some thoughts and maybe coming up on some pricing strategies to be shared with some of our peers.
So we're in the, I guess, in the beginning of our proactive journey. We have done a lot of good actions, which I feel like I've seen in the different discussions and the different presentations. We're on the right path, which is actually very encouraging for us. It's very interesting to see their experience with MARKT-PILOT, but also that we've gone through different stages with regards to how we're approaching proactive sales, and what MARKT-PILOT is bringing back to their company as a value to be able to position themselves is really interesting.